Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Satkan Education Services. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you all are fine in this pandemic. Be at home and be safe. This is me, Miss Sara Liaquat. Today is our English language class. So students, today we are going to discuss the letter format, from which you can also learn how you can write a letter in a proper way. Students, there are some basic objectives to write a letter. Explain the parts of letters. I am going to do and state the two letter formats, the personal one and the business letter, and explain the differences between the letters format as well. I will also discuss that, and in the end I give you the home task. So students, what is letter? A written or a printed communication directed to a person or the organization is called letter. You can also find it in the education.yahoo.com. Okay, and letter may be created and sent as email or electronic transmission, including facsimiles and hand delivery transmission or regular mail transmission. So students, there are two categories of letter, as I told you before: business letter and the personal letter. In business letter, format writing, more formal writing that may share elements of like essay writing, and in personal letter we usually often use informal writing and format, as well as maybe the address to a friend or familiar acquaintance about a personal subject, may regard a personal problem, issue, or even personal business matter pertaining to one personal finances or personal legal matters. Keep that thing in your mind. Read all these slides by your own self as well for your better understanding, students. So, what is a good business letter? Writing a good business letter is an art that all technical people should master. When writing a business letter, the writer produces a one-sided conversation. Keep that thing in your mind, with the reader, in the sense that he or she has to anticipate the reader's question and provide answers to those questions as well. So what is a business letter? A business letter is a letter written in a formal language. As I told you before about the business letter, here is the much more description about it. Here you can see some basic letter format. We can also use these formats in our personal letters as well. Keep that thing in your mind. These are three common formats for using a letter, for writing a letter. We usually use the blocked format in business letter. The first line of paragraphs and all other addresses, date, closing and signature informations are lined up with the left margin. In business letter, there is a blank line between paragraphs. We also leave a line in personal letters as well, but in the business letter it is also compulsory. So students, here you can see personal letter. In personal letter, whether typed or handwritten, may include personal touches that reflects your style of personality. As you can see, I mentioned all the major things over here for your better understanding. Special stationery like a paper, you used date, you mentioned greeting way, your signature, your complimentary closing. All these things matters in personal letter. Okay, when we talk about the guidelines for writing the apologies, you need to write as soon as possible after the incident. Apologize, but do not go overboard by saying I am very 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 sorry. It will not be suitable in the letters. Keep it simple and to the point. Summarize what you are apologizing for, and apologize only for a particular situation or problem. Be brief. Apologize carefully and sincerely. Do not express feelings of guilt. Explain what you will do to correct the mistake or situation. You will give the solution as well. Do not put blame on another person, and do not blame problems on computer errors or carelessness. These all are useless and human errors. So students, I hope that this slide is helpful for you for your home task. PDF is attached for you. All you need to do is to do that particular letter and application in your copies, and as well as for your better understanding, you need to do it to read all these slides again. Thank you. So my dear students, this is me, Miss Sara Liaquat, signing off. Take good care of yourself, take good care of your family, take care. Allah Hafiz.